Great morning, amazing people. How are you doing? Hope you had a wonderful weekend. Today is Monday. Welcome to online class. This is English. We are looking at phrase. Okay? Our topic is phrase, clause, and sentence. But we'll be focusing on phrase for today. Next class, we'll talk about clause and sentence. Okay? Alright. What do you think a phrase is? A phrase is a group of words which does not have a subject and a predicate of its own. A phrase is a group of words which does not have a subject and a predicate of its own. In other words, a phrase does not make sense on its own. Okay? Because of course you know that the predicate does not make sense on its own. So a phrase does not stand or cannot stand on its own to make sense, except it is added to a sentence. It has to depend on a sentence to actually make a complete sense. We have some examples. In the evening. What do you think? Do you understand that sentence? Is it a sentence? It's not complete. So you see why it is a phrase. It is incomplete. In the evening. What does it mean? Nothing. What happened in the evening? Not stated. Is anybody going anywhere in the evening? Not stated. So that is why it is a phrase. It is a phrase. The next example says, do not know. Do not know. What is it that you don't know? You can't explain. So it's also an incomplete sentence. Okay. The third one says how to do it. What is it that you don't know how to do? Is it that you know how to do it, or you don't know how to do it, or what to do, or whatever? You see, it's an incomplete sentence. It's not making sense on its own. Too late. Too late. How? What is too late? Is an incomplete sentence. So it is a phrase. Always remember that a phrase does not make sense on its own. It cannot make sense. It cannot make sense. Okay? They are a group of words which does not have a subject and a predicate. There's no subject. Nothing starts. It doesn't start from anywhere. It doesn't end anywhere. It just brings out something from the middle and drops, and then nobody knows where it is heading to. You don't know when it started, you don't know where it is heading to. It's just in the middle there. That is why it is a phrase. Okay, so a phrase only makes sense when used in a sentence. That's all. Like I've always said, I've been saying it, that it has to depend on a sentence to make a complete sense. Okay, for instance, if I had said Mr. Obi came here in the evening, you can see he's making sense. There's a subject now, Mr. Obi. Okay, you can see it is making sense now. All right, so when I say in the evening, without giving you any subject, without stating what is happening in the evening, who is coming in the evening, that is why it is a phrase. All right, and then the next example says it is too late to cry. Okay, you can't just say too late and you end the sentence there. What is it that is too late? So you can see that the subject now, okay, and that subject makes it a complete sentence. All right, so this is what a phrase is. I would like you to do something for me. Okay, you write out further examples of a phrase. Okay, write like 5 examples of phrases so that I will look at it. Okay, write 5 words Okay, let me know. I want to look at it as we come to school on Tuesday. Okay, make 5 phrasal sentences. Let me look at it. Okay, when we come on Tuesday, we will meet physically and then be able to understand further this topic, be able to do some activities on this topic. All right, thank you very much, and do have a lovely day.